Place 3 candles on the pan and leave them for a few minutes. The effect is beautiful. For this trick, you'll need 3 table candles. You can use old or broken candles for this. Place them on the pan and turn on the stove. Use low heat. Leave them for a few minutes. When the candles start to melt, remove the wicks. Leave one of them for later. Slice 1 lemon into thin slices. Then, take an orange. Also, slice it into thin strips. Put the fruit slices in a glass jar or glass. Arrange them tightly around the sides of the container. Prepare the spices, cinnamon sticks and star anise. Place them among the slices. Attach the candle wick to a stick and place it in the glass. It should reach the bottom. Position it so that it hangs in the center. Pour the melted wax from the pan immediately into a heat-resistant glass container. Then, pour the wax into the container with the fruits and spices. You can add a few drops of essential oil to it. Leave it for a few hours to cool. When the wax is cold, trim the excess wick, and it's ready. You can make a lovely festive candle from old candles. Make 3 small balls out of aluminum foil and place them in a pan. This trick was taught to me by a professional chef. It definitely makes cooking easier. Take 3 aluminum foil balls about the size of a walnut. Arrange them next to each other in the pan. Then, place a small plate and the dish you want to cook on top of them. Pour a little water into the pan. It should not touch the bottom of the plate. Turn on the heat and cover the pan with a lid. This simple way, you can quickly steam fish or vegetables. This trick makes it much easier and faster. Put aluminum foil in a pot of boiling water. For years, I worked as a housekeeper for wealthy people. This trick saved me a lot of nerves at work. When I first heard about this trick, I didn't want to believe it worked. Place a pot of water on the stove. Then, bring the water to a boil. Cut aluminum foil into squares. Make them into walnut-sized balls. Drop them into the boiling water. I also throw in the cutlery that needs polishing, with tough-to-remove stains and spots. I boil them for 5 minutes and turn off the stove. I lay them on a kitchen towel and dry them off. The cutlery doesn't need polishing, just dry them and they're ready. They have no stains and shine beautifully. The steel has no spots and looks like new. Are you missing a battery for your remote control? You don't have to run to the store. In the kitchen, you have one thing that can replace the battery. Take aluminum foil and tear off a large piece. Then fold it into a small rectangle. Next, crumple it to create a cylinder. Make it roughly the same size as the battery. Insert it into the empty slot. The foil will complete the electrical circuit in the device. The remote will work powered by just one battery. Did you know about this? You'll never buy coffee capsules again. This trick will save you a lot of money. Don't throw away used capsules. You can easily reuse them. Take a used capsule and cut the silver cover with a knife. Then, empty the coffee. Fill the capsule with new ground coffee. Compact it with a spoon. Remove any excess coffee grounds. Cut a square from aluminum foil. Cover the capsule with it and fold it around, sealing it tightly. Use a knife to trim any excess foil, and you're done. You can use the capsule the same way as store-bought ones. This trick is safe for your coffee machine. It's cost-effective and efficient. The coffee tastes perfect. This trick will make ironing much faster. Just spread aluminum foil on the ironing board. It's important to place it with the shiny side up. Then iron the clothing. The foil reflects heat from the board, which straightens both sides of the fabric. Just run the iron over a few times and you're done. This is how you can clean a burnt oven without scrubbing. You will never want to clean it any other way again. This clever trick works every time. All you need is 1 gel dishwasher tablet. Place it in an oven-proof dish and place it in the oven. Then pour 1 liter of boiling water over it. Close the oven and set it to 100 degrees Celsius. Leave the dish in for about an hour. The steam containing active ingredients from the tablet will settle on the oven walls. They have degreasing, dissolving, and cleaning properties. They will perfectly cover all the burnt food residues. The heat of the oven will speed up the dissolving process. As a result, you won't need to scrub them. After an hour, open the oven and wipe the walls with a wet sponge. The dirt will come off immediately. It will even collect heavily burnt residues like a magnet. Try this trick and let us know if it worked. I no longer use corrosive and chemical drain cleaners. This natural alternative is cost-effective and safe. It clears the pipes and eliminates unpleasant odors. Is your shower drain not draining water properly? It's often due to the accumulation of soap scum, hair, and detergent residues clogging the pipes. This simple recipe for a drain snake will solve this problem in just 5 minutes. Pour 4 tablespoons of baking soda into the drain, and then pour vinegar over it. These substances will react, creating a foam that will flow down the pipes. Baking soda has cleaning and disinfecting properties. The foaming action will fill the pipes and push out trapped hair and grime. Vinegar removes mineral buildup, unpleasant smells, and, thanks to its acidic nature, effectively tackles dirt. Just rinse everything with water, and you're done. The drain will be clean and fresh-smelling. You can apply the same trick to your kitchen sink. Greasy food residues often accumulate in its pipes, leading to unpleasant odors. Baking soda and vinegar will effectively unclog and clean the inner parts. Your sink will be unobstructed and fragrant. There will be no need for using chemical products. The razor manufacturers don't want you to know this. Don't throw them away. You can use a disposable razor much longer than you think. Take a dull disposable razor and a dishwashing sponge in your hand. Then glide the razor from the bottom to the top across the rough side of the sponge. Its surface will hone the razor again and smooth out nicks on its surface. You'll be able to use it again as if it were brand new. This clever sponge trick will save you money on razors and blades.
Cut the lemon and sprinkle it with salt. Place it on the nightstand and the annoying problem will disappear. It sounds strange, but it really works. Cut the lemon into quarters, creating a flower shape. Then fill its center with table salt. Place the prepared lemon in a bowl and put it on the nightstand. The salt will make the fruit emit a more intense fragrance. It turns out that aromatherapy using lemon effectively reduces stress. Just place it on the nightstand and go to sleep. The scent will make you feel calmer, help you fall asleep, and positively impact the quality of your sleep.
Put 2 tablets into the white laundry. The effect will be surprising. Don't throw away expired aspirin tablets. It turns out they have hidden properties that work well during washing white clothes. Aspirin has a bleaching effect, so it works great for removing yellow stains from sweat or food. In a bowl of warm water, dissolve a few aspirin tablets. Add the clothes you want to whiten. Soak them and leave for 15 minutes. Then put them in the washing machine and start the wash cycle. You can also toss the aspirin tablets directly into the washing machine. In addition to brightening white laundry, it will also have a positive effect on the lime scale inside the machine. The effects of washing with these tablets are visible immediately. Clothes are whiter, and stubborn stains disappear. Did you know about this use of aspirin?